The first four for planning engineers, first part is a knowledge, your knowledge of using the scheduling software like Primavera, your knowledge of the earned value model, like, the core knowledge of a planning engineer, then the speed, because, it makes a qualified planner to make everything as quickly as possible. Because if I give you an exercise, for example, what is the earned value of concrete, for example? Someone can take the whole day to calculate it. Someone else can take 5 minutes. So of course, the quicker, the better. So speed is also an element. Accuracy. So you want to make, or you want to generate your results fast, but very accurate as well, because it doesn't help if you present wrong information. And by the way, it's very easy to, present wrong information, because construction projects are very, very complex. The scope is huge, and we have many activities, right, linked together. Like you have, for example, the sequence of finishing activities, and at the same time, you want to monitor the procurement of these activities and also the engineering part. So there are so many aspects you need to manage at the same time. That's why many companies invest in millions of dollars. We have right now construction management solutions, how to optimize your operations and how to, manage the construction projects more accurately and efficiently. So that's why the accuracy part, it's very hard to achieve, but also it's one of the first four, or the four pillars in construction management, and easy access to information, because you're going to have a lot of information in the project. And if I want to tell you, for example, I want to make an informed decision, I want to see the trend of tiles progress, for example, and maybe I want to see the variance of tile, okay, or how we perform it in tiles maybe 2 weeks ago. How fast or how easy for you to access information like that? Everyone can do it, but if someone can do it in 2 minutes, which is fast, give me what I need accurately, okay, it's a bonus, of course, it's a credit. So these are the four pillars for planning engineers.